everybody. Welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. I know it's been a long time, but we're back again. And this week we're talking all about gingerbread men. All right, so let me show you the schedule and we'll see what we're going to do. First, we're going to have circle time and we're going to sing good morning to each other. Then Miss Jessica has a story to tell you about some gingerbread men who are going to run away. Oh no. Then we'll sing a song. And then, friends, I have something really fun to show you that maybe you could try at your house. Then it's the goodbye song. All right, friends, let's start here for circle time. Get your hands ready. We're going to wave and sing good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so happy you're here today. All right, I'm going to take this down. We're all done with our circle time. And so now, let me tell you a story about some gingerbread men. They're on my tray here. Oh boy, do you see them? They're on my cookie tray. This can go right into the oven if these were real. Let's count how many there are. You help me count at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 5 with your fingers. 5 gingerbread men. Okay, you keep your hand up like this. 5 gingerbread. 5 gingerbread men laying on the tray. One jumped up and ran away, saying, catch me, if you can. I'm really quick, I'm the gingerbread man. He ran away. So now, friends, we had 5, but now let's put one finger down because one ran away. And so how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hold up 4 fingers? Okay, here we go again. 4 gingerbread men laying on a tray. One jumped up and ran away, saying, catch me, if you can. I'm really quick, I'm the gingerbread man. Another one ran away. So let's put another finger down, friends. Oh boy, how many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's only 3 left. 3 gingerbread men laying on a tray. One jumped up and ran away, saying, catch me, if you can. I'm really quick, I'm the gingerbread man. Oh dear, another one ran away. Friends, let's put another finger down. And now look, there's only 2 left. Can you show me 2 with your fingers? 2 gingerbread men laying on a tray. One jumped up and ran away, saying, catch me, if you can. I'm really quick, I'm the gingerbread man. Oh dear, we had 2, but one ran away. Put one down. And now there's only 1 left. 1 gingerbread man laying on a tray. He jumped up and ran away, saying, catch me, if you can. I'm really quick, I'm the gingerbread man. Oh, friends, look at our tray. No more gingerbread laying on the tray. They all jumped up and ran away. Oh, how I wish that they stayed to play. Next time I'll eat them before they run away. You gotta eat the gingerbread really fast. They are so quick they run away right away. All right, friends, that was a fun story. Thanks for helping me with the counting. So I'm going to take this down. And now, friends, look, it's time for a song, and we're going to move our body a little bit too. First, we're going to pretend to be the gingerbread man, and we're going to run. Here we go. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Now we're going to clap. Clap, clap, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Now let's hop. Hop, hop, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Now, you can't see my feet, but we're going to stomp. Stomp, stomp, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Oh my goodness, that is so much fun. All right, we're all done with music. And now here's Madeline. You might not have met her yet, but this is one of my daughters. Say hi to my YouTube fans. Oh, and here comes Olivia. Olivia wants to meet you. No, she doesn't. Okay, so friends, we're all done with our music. Olivia just looks like Madeline. I have twins. All right, friends, special activity next. Let me show you something you can try at home. Now, in the real gingerbread story, the gingerbread boy comes to a river or a lake, and he wants to try and get across because people are chasing him. And in some of the stories, he jumps on a fox's back, and the fox eats him. Oh no. And that always makes me so sad when the gingerbread boy gets eaten. So I was thinking, to help the gingerbread boy at the end of the story, maybe we could build him a bridge so that he doesn't have to use the fox for help and he can get over and he's safe. Wouldn't that be nice? So I have a little gingerbread boy that I found at my house. Now this is an ornament that goes on the tree, but we're going to use it today to help us build a bridge for him. So friends, I borrowed some Legos from my girls, and I just used a base. Thank you, Madeline, for letting me borrow them. And I built it up a little bit, okay? So let's pretend that there's water right in here, and we're going to need to build a bridge so that our gingerbread boy can go across. I'm being chased. They all want to eat me. I need to get across. Oh, there's water. Help me, help me. Okay, so first thing I found at my house we could use a bridge is a napkin. If you think my napkin bridge is going to work, give me a thumbs up. But if you think no, give me a thumbs down. Oh, Madeline doesn't think so. Okay, let's find out. Oh, okay, here I come. I'm going to cross the bridge. Doot, 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 doot. Oh! Oh, soggy cookie. Oh, okay, napkin will not work. You look around your house and see things that you could use to build a bridge. I found some twist ties. So Madeline's going to help me. Oh, let's move our two bases a little closer. And we're going to try twist ties as a bridge, okay? Oh my goodness, I'm being chased. I need to get across the water. Oh, I'll use this bridge. Thumbs up if you think it's going to work. Thumbs down if you think no. All right, here we go. They're pretty strong if you use them correctly. Ooh. Oh, no. Twist ties do not work. Okay, friends, I looked around and I found these. These are craft sticks. We use them to make crafts at our house, or sometimes they have popsicles on them. It used to have a popsicle maybe. All right, and we're going to try them. They're made out of wood, so let's see if it works. We're going to build using sticks of wood. Okay, let's see. Thumbs up if you think my wood bridge will work, or thumbs down if you think no way. I think yeah. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to try this bridge. Oh boy. And look, friends, he can even lay down. It did work. So friends, look around your house and maybe you could build a bridge for a gingerbread boy with different things that you find. All right, so that's a fun science activity you can try. And now we're going to sing the goodbye song. Here we go. Oh, we're going to just use our hands, okay? Here we go. It goes like this. See you later, alligator, after while, crocodile. Can you go like this with your hands to make a crocodile? Good. In an hour, sunflower, maybe two, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow, chow, brown cow, see you soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop, chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye-bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. Thanks for joining me for Gingerbread Day.